Hello, this is Mike Reed with a video for you about Manitowoc training. If you're in the Hurricane, West Virginia area, URI is having a class Thursday, September 28th, 2023. It is a full day class. They are serving lunch, starts at 8 a.m. and it ends at 4 p.m. The cost of the class is $35. The host is Jared from Manitowoc. So this is going to be at Area 34, Putnam Chamber in Hurricane, West Virginia. And if you don't know, once you take the Manitowoc training class, then you are allowed to perform and get paid for whatever work you do that does fall up underneath the warranty period. So you will get reimbursed for your part, and then you will get paid for your labor. So don't forget, sign up, get a URI account, and take your class. Thanks for watching the video. I do want to thank, let's see here. I do want to thank Frank Evans for your contribution to the channel. Thank you, Frank Evans, for making this video possible. You guys have a good one.